brisket.
Surprise, Josh, Marissa and family came over. What'd you make?
A Wagyu brisket.
When you Wagyu, you won't go back?
Well, hope so.
That looks good.
Why are you keeping it?
Well, if you want a little roux, I can take the paper and put it in some hot water on the stove and make a
That's
little
how
roux.
you usually
Well,
make
Au jus, au jus.
like an au jus.
You cook the paper? Uh-huh.
Actually, I did. I boil it in water and all the juice comes out.
Wait, you need to get Aunt Kelly's steak for that.
Or
Have you ever had paper soup before?
maybe I won't need it.
I served
a lot of sauce
I served Andrew a sandwich one time
You know, I
with the
don't think
cheese
we
on it,
did
still had the paper on there, and he kept chewing and chewing. He goes, Dad, something's
Dad,
We'll just save
wrong.
that juice.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of juice, babe.
You don't need to do anything with
I know, because I had to hold it in my lap on the way over here. You don't have knobs?
Do you want me to pour that juice in
And,
a
it.
bowl?
Yeah.
You want me to pour that juice in a bowl? Is that
They
what you want?
came from Amazon and they are like plastic.
You
They're
want me to pour
junk.
that juice or what
Yeah,
do
that
you
sounds
got?
good.
Take new
no?
ones.
Oh my gosh. What, you saying something?
I know.
I'm about ready to cry. That's really good, Josh.
Of course, to the invalid. I'm not sure. He might be on a short leash.
Are you
with
calling
this
me invalid or invalid?
invalid?
Why? Because I have a boot on?
That's very good, babe.